Yeah, hi everybody, welcome back to yet another tutorial for today. Um, I feel it's very important for me to come up with an update on the last tutorial I did, which I feel there's a lot of complexity, so it's better I give us a fresh, tutorial. So two things you should expect from this tutorial. Number one, the updated functionality I've added to the site, which of course is something you need to know to be able to navigate your way around uploading music. And then secondly, the SEO, that is the search engine optimization, for which we're going to be able to show you in details. So I'll just log in into my own back end. I'm already at the admin page or the back end page. So now that I have logged in, so if you're just starting, for those, sorry, I'm really emphasizing those who are, doing music upload, right? This is very, very important because this is the dominant nature of the website. But I'll do that of other articles, and then I will emphasize some key things on this particular upload so that we'll not make mistakes when we want to upload. So I'll just go straight. Remember the last tutorial I said for you to get started, go to new, then come down to media. And then once you're there, the system takes you to the upload page where you get to upload a media file. In this case, we're uploading MP3 file. So I'll go and search this MP3 file. Is on particular music. Give me a moment. Let me search for that particular song. Okay. Some moment. Yeah. Okay, great. So I think I'm there. So this was the backup we did for the site when we had the site before. So we'll be uploading all the songs back, but there's one key song here I want to upload, which is this, Reason for the Season, since we are approaching our Christmas period. So I'm going to click on it. So you can now see, I didn't leave the page. I allow it to, upload and crunch. And now that it's done uploading, now I can leave this particular page. So the next thing I want to do is to go to downloads, right? I can do it either way. I can decide to go to download. I can decide to come to media and, upload first. But it's download I went to straight, right? So now you can see that the SEO has changed, right? But this is not what we are concerned about now. So let me just write reason for this season. This is the title of the song. I won't put by anybody yet. I won't even put description yet because this is just for the download case. So just in case you didn't upload this song through this place, because definitely you are going to provide the link to the file, right? So in this case, if you have not uploaded the song, you can come here and do the upload. But me, I've already done that, right? So you can also see that the song has already been uploaded. These are former logo before we transited into the current logo you are seeing. So now I'm coming back here and so if you come through the download and you want to upload the file, it's still the same thing, right? So ensure that this PHP dispatch or redirect is ticked. You don't want people clicking on the file when they want to download and then another page will be opening up for them. No, you want them to stay on the page and you want them to be able to, you don't want to take their attention off the page, right? So now I can come here and uh, put up the file size. In this case, the size is about 4.32 MB. And then the download button will be download now, right? and then I'll copy the short code, and then I'll open up your notepad. For those of you that have notepad, open up your notepad and copy this code there. Keep it there, right? Then, if you want the file to be showing number of downloads, right? If you want people to see how much downloads they have, right? Then you click on this. The following shortcode can be used to show a download counter. So, but we transited over time. We don't want to be showing people that anymore because sometimes it overwhelms people. So, but in this case, I'll just do it just in case you intend to do that. And now that I've done that, I will just come over here and just click publish, right? Great. So now it has published. So the last is now to go to the post side and click on post, right? So this is where I want to be very detailed now, right? I can now come and say download. Okay, now reason for the season featuring Share the Keys, right? Featuring Israel Benson, all right, by Joseph Kabulu. So now this is it, right? So I can come here and start writing. Reason for the season is a sensational Christmas melody that brings back the goose bumps of the Christmas season for individuals. Okay, to individuals rather. The song is a stark reminder of what Christmas is and the love of Christ. Christ has demonstrated for us. So I can come here because I know there are readers. So show some love by downloading, sharing, and commenting. Today, enjoy. So this is a song. You don't want to bore people with too much right up, unless maybe it's a new song, right? Unless maybe it's a new song, right? And for this is not a new song. It was released in 2021. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, 2021. So now you can see that this reason for the season, which is the title of the song, is the first keyword that comes up. Yeah. So maybe uh, when I'll be talking about SEO, I'm going to highlight why it came up here. So I can say reason for the season by Joseph Kabulu. Now I'm trying to capture the key words, right, of this particular song. So now I think I'm done with this. So I'm just going to copy that code now. These two codes. Let me start with the download code. This is the download code. I've copied it. Now I'll paste it here. And then the counter code. I've copied it. And I'm also going to paste it here. So now I'm going to choose the category for the song. which is music, right? And then I'm going to choose the tag or write up the tags. So Joseph is a tag, right? I can just click add. Joseph, somebody can mistakenly type Joseph like this. It's a tag. Kabulu is a tag. Reason is a tag. Season is a tag. Shelly Keys is a tag, right? And then Israel is a tag, right? So you can see that these are some of the possible things that people might mistype. So we are now telling the system that yes, please, when they mistype, just lead them straight through the post if they are getting the song through Google search, right? So what is left now? I can come here. I think to give your page a very beautiful look, you have to come to post head options and then check this to on and then come to featured image and click it. Then last but not the least, let me fix this. Copy this title, come down to your featured image. Now, for some of us don't know what featured image is. For some of us who started uploading on the site, I discovered that you are struggling with featured image. This is what featured image is. This is where it is. So click it, come to upload, locate the file on your system. For me, mine is in download. This is the file. Click it, allow it, don't leave this page. Allow it to fully upload. So once it has uploaded, it will display a thumbnail of the file, right? So we are allowing it to upload. Yeah, so now it has finished uploading. So now that thing we copied, this is all because you want your song to be searchable by Google. So you need to give it all the ingredients that Google likes. So you can see that even this is the name of the file, reason for the season. I made sure that I named the file the name of the song, right? So now come to your alternate text and paste the title of the song there, and then you click it and then allow it to generate. Now it has shown. So once it has shown you like this, it means you are ready to publish the song, right? So in the next tutorial, I'll be teaching us the SEO. I don't want to do it here. So let me conclude this tutorial now. I'll click publish. Bam. The song is published. So you can view the song. Great. So you can now see that head options that you checked. Look at it here. You can now see. So you can see the download button is showing. So once people start downloading, you see that the counter will start. Now let me click download. You can see it didn't take me out of the page. Rather, look at it's downloading, right? So let me refresh and see if it will start counting. So ideally, it is supposed to start counting, right? So, but this is what, maybe it's because I'm logged in, but this is what it looks like when you upload your song. Now you can see that your SEO is showing you red. This is because we've not put SEO. So in the next tutorial, we'll be treating how to give your song a searchable vibe on Google search engine. Thank you very much. I remain Joseph Kabulu, and until next time, goodbye. Thank you.